I'm Sonam. I'm here at the Chinese Consulate in New York City, here to deliver a Facebook petition signed by over 10,000 people.
We are here today. We just delivered our 10,000 signature petition to condemn the unfair trial and the execution of Loyak and Lobsang Gyaltsen.
We are from SFT in Germany, and we are here in front of the Chinese Consulate in Frankfurt in Germany to deliver the 10,000 signature Facebook petition.
We're gonna come back here again and read the names out loud in front of the consulate so that they know that people care about giving a fair trial to Lobsang Gyaltsen and Loyak.